Konnichiwa. In today's video, we are going to introduce how to say the names of close family members in Japanese. So I hope this video will be very useful for beginners who are newly learning the Japanese language. Then let's get into the video.
お母さん
Mother.
母
When introducing your mother to someone else, you should use the word ha.
お父さん
Father.
父
When introducing your father to someone else, you should use the word chichi.
お兄さん
Older brother.
兄
When introducing your older brother to someone else, you should use the word ani.
お姉さん
Older sister.
姉
When introducing your older sister to someone else, you should use the word
姉おじいさん
grandfather.
祖父
When introducing your grandfather to someone else, you should use the word sofu.
おばあさん
Grandmother.
夫
When introducing your grandmother to someone else, you should use the word
夫ご主人
husband.
夫
When introducing your husband to someone else, you should use the word otho.
奥さん
Wife.
妻
When introducing your wife to someone else, you should use the word tsuma.
弟さん
Younger brother.
弟
When introducing your younger brother to someone else, you should use the word othotho.
妹さん
Younger sister.
妹
When introducing your younger sister to someone else, you should use the word imotho.
ご両親
Parents.
両親
When introducing your parents to someone else, you should use the word ryoshin.
ご兄弟
Siblings.
兄弟
When introducing your siblings to someone else, you should use the word kyodai.